The tall order hub. Primo plastic guard, Omniguard sprocket. The Churchill cranks. Better look at it. It's a Colt Too Short. Shiner candy colorway, I believe. It's just black. It's a Primo N4FL female 14mm female hub. These are animal pedals. I got some dark ones coming in, but same color. Mercani grips. And this is the Colt Salvation V3 top load stem. Colt Sect V3 forks, investment cast. Dope forks. And then right now I have, these are S&M foo bars and with a 10-inch rise. I needed a 4-piece bar raw, the well burns. I wanted it to match the cranks. Yeah, that's a tell ya. It's a Colt Tall Maintain Everyday headset. These are VS rims, both of them, front and back. It's a good rim. Primo spokes on both. These are Kink Sever tires. They're pretty sweet. They're like slicks, but they got a little more grip than like the D-Heart slicks. I like them. They're affordable. Nice white wall on them. 2.40. Oh, by the way, this frame can take up to 2.50 clearance for big tires if you like those better. This is the Primo breaker seat, Stevie Churchill Sig. Yeah, that's the cassette setup I use for this bike, but I also got these that you can see it. Hold on, sorry. The DAC wheels. Green joints, and these are GFE Beacon pedals. If I want to go with the free coaster route, I'll take some bars. These are the brand new Churchill bars. They feel pretty sick. I'm gonna be building a piston up pretty soon, a Stranger piston. So I got the Churchill bars in. I have Colt 4-piece bars too, but like I said, I like the raw better. These are the new turbo pedals. Connor Keating Sig for the new build coming up. I'm going to be using this sprocket for that. The Primo solid sprocket. Yeah, this is S&M. That down there is a Colt OS V2. And then we got the Colt Ollie right here with the mags. It's all Colt, pretty much. So, no, I got Primo pedals and Stevie headset. But, everything else on this one's Colt. It's a beautiful bike. Took me a while to get my hands on this. Not easy finding a Trans Red Colt bike.